Yes. The name of the chapter is Visualizing Solid Shapes. Visualize solid shapes. मतलब हम we are going to discuss here solid shapes in this chapter. Got it? Now, what are solid shapes? Yes, listen. Firstly, let's discuss about the word one-dimensional. One dimension means that has only one thing. Actually, you must have listened about the term length, breadth, height. You must have listened about the term length, breadth, and height. Now we are talking about the word one-dimensional. One-dimensional means we are talking about the length. If we say two-dimensional, then we will talk about length and breadth. If we talk about three-dimensional, then we will say length, breadth, height. Got it? Now we are talking about one-dimensional. One-dimensional means the shape, the figure that has only one dimension that is called length. Can you give example? Any mathematical thing that has only one dimensional, that is length. That is line. Line segment. Line segment has only length. So this is one dimensional. Okay? Line segment has only one dimension. Line segment has only one dimension. Second, two-dimensional figures that have length and breadth. Example, there are so many examples. Got it? Next is you will get the time to note down the things. Just stop writing and listen to me first. As we talk about that one-dimensional shapes have only one dimension, so you can't find the area. You can just find their length, or you can say perimeter. Here we are talking about the two-dimensional shapes that have length and breadth. So here you can find area. क्या क्या find कर सकते हैं? We can find area and, but here we are talking about three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional 3D जिनको कहते हैं, इसे 2D कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? 2D shapes. आप मूवी देखने जाते हो ना, सिंपल मूवी जो देखते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड 2D मूवी. ठीक है? एक होती है 3D मूवी. आपने वो देखी थी? कौन सी? और भी बहुत सारी मूवीज हैं. ABCD, वो डांस वाली मूवी तो आई थी. ठीक है? उसमें वो 3 डायमेंशनल थी. इफ यू हैव सीन दैट मूवी इन द थिएटर, यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट objects or things are coming towards you. You must have observed this thing. अब तो काफी कुछ आ गया. 3 डायमेंशनल के बाद 4 डायमेंशनल, 5 डायमेंशनल चीजें आती जा रही हैं. तो उसमें आप 3 डायमेंशनल को कहते हैं 3D. क्या कहते हैं? 3D. So the figures that have length, breadth, and height. The figures that have length, breadth, and height. So here what you can find, I said what you can find here. Examples first. Examples are cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone. And here what we can find? We can find area, perimeter, and volume. Very good. And volume. So the solid shape that occupies space and that contains something in itself, the figures that have volume, or you can say the capacity of the cylinder, we can talk capacity of the container. As we are sitting in a room, and this room is the example of cuboid. This room is the example of cuboid. Why you are writing? We are sitting in a room, and this room is in the shape of the cuboid because it has length, breadth, and height. So it have three-dimensional length. ये length होगी बड़े वाली, ये breadth होगी, and this is height of the room. So the shapes that have three-dimensional length, breadth, and height are called 3D shapes, or you can say three-dimensional shapes. And that this room you can find the area of the room, you can find the volume of the room, or you can find the perimeter of the sides also. Okay, perimeter of the side means the sum of all the line segments of which this room is made up. Write down this thing. Today homework is you will write all the introduction part of the homework. You have to revise the class. So whatsoever things we are discussing in the class, that will be the part of the book. Got it? So daily you have to revise the classwork. Hurry up, note down. Now next heading is faces. Faces, vertices and edges. Look here. First is this faces, vertices and edges is for 3-dimensional shape only. जो shape 3-dimensional होगी ना, that have length, breadth and height, that have faces, vertices and edges. 2-dimensional shapes don't have faces, vertices, edges. होते हैं, but we are discussing about the solid shape and solid shapes are 3D shapes. Got it? पेपर में हो सकता है 4 एग्जाम्पल दिए हो and you have to just recognize the solid shape. The solid shape means 3D shapes. Solid shapes are 3D shapes. 2D shapes are not solid. ठीक है, 2D 2-dimensional जो shapes है जिनकी length breadth होती है, they are not called solid shapes. So solid shapes are 3-dimensional shapes. Got it? This we will write later on in the note. Now first thing, we will discuss the faces, vertices and edges only for 3-dimensional shapes, that is 3D shape. So first one is cuboid. Look here. You have to draw the figure also. Listen to me. Look here. Then you will have enough time to note down the things. One, you will draw one rectangle. Then you will draw another rectangle above it, over it, and join the corners. That will give you cuboid. Got it? Now, just look here. Anyone having pencil box, solid pencil box? Look here. This is in the shape of cuboid. Cuboid है, solid है, cuboid है. First thing is face. ये इसका face है. 1, ये plane. 1, 2. ये आप क्या कर रहे हो? First face, second face, third, 4, 5, 6. One at the top, another at the bottom. Then 4 side faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. कितने faces हो गए? ठीक है. Look one more example. जैसे ये बुक है, ये क्या है? क्यूबॉइड है. ये इसकी लेंथ है, ये इसकी ब्रेड्थ है और ये इसकी, ठीक है. 1 फेस, सेकेंड फेस, थर्ड फेस, फोर्थ फेस, फिफ्थ फेस, सिक्स्थ फेस. Total how many faces it has? Next is vertices. Corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many vertices? Now comes edges. Edges are the sharp lines where the two faces meet. When the two faces meet like this, first face and second face, both the faces are meeting at one sharp edge. This line is called edge. देखो इसके कितने edges हैं? ऊपर वाला rectangle के कितने edges हैं? 4. इसके कितने edges हैं? 4 plus 4? 9, 10. How many edges? Look here. This upper rectangle has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So edges are, draw this. ये कौन है जो कुछ बोल रहा है? आप थे? मत करो। ये कैसे बनाया? गलत है ये तो। ठीक है, ठीक है। लिखवाऊंगी मैं। एजेस आर द शार्प लाइंस that are formed by two faces. The line that is common between the two faces is called edge. अभी लिखेंगे, अभी बाद में लिखते हैं। ये सब कुछ आता है एग्जाम में ही, अभी लिखेंगे बाद में लिखते हैं। डेफिनेशंस वगैरह बाद में लिखते हैं, पहले थोड़ा जनरल डिस्कस कर ले फिर लिखते हैं। गलत ड्रॉ किया, रेक्टेंगल है ये, स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करना है। दोबारा करो, स्क्वायर बनाओ, छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर। नाउ नेक्स्ट कम्स क्यूब। Cube is formed by square faces. I have drawn two square faces. Now join the vertex to get the cube. Now this cube has faces, vertices and edges same as the cuboid. Okay. If you have any example of this, do anyone have any cuboid shape thing? Cube shape. Rubik's cube देखा है आपने? वो ही इसी का example है। डाइस, आइस क्यूब, शुगर क्यूब, ठीक है, इसी के एग्जाम्पल है वो। देखो इधर फेसेस कितने हैं इसके? 1 2 3, ये पीछे वाला 4, ये फ्रंट वाला 5 और ये 6। ठीक है, कोई एग्जाम्पल? किसी के पास स्क्वायर वो इस शेप में इरेजर नहीं है? क्यूबॉइड है ये, सेम होते हैं इसके फेसेस, वर्टिसेस, एजेस। इधर आओ, वहां जाओ मैथ्स लैब में, वहां सामने रखा होगा क्यूब, क्यूब और कोन रखा होगा। ले आओ कोन, सिलेंडर, 3 चीजें ले आओ। बड़ी बड़ी लाना, बड़ी बड़ी, जल्दी आ जाओ। Yes, look here. We have this cube. Cube है ना, स्क्वायर फेसेस से बना है। देखो ऑल द फेसेस आर स्क्वायर, और जो क्यूबॉइड होता है इट इज मेड अप ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस। रेक्टेंगल है ना सारे, ठीक है। बस जो अपर और ये वाला होता है ये स्क्वायर होता है। जो साइड वाला फेस होता है ना ये स्क्वायर होता है, बाकी रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस होते हैं। ये बताएंगे आपको रीजन ऐसा क्यों होता है। नाउ क्यूब हैज ऑल द स्क्वायर फेसेस। नाउ काउंट द नंबर ऑफ फेसेस। 1 face, 2nd face, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. 1 top and 1 bottom and 4 side faces. So it has 6 faces. Now edges. Edges are formed by, when edges is a line that is formed by the combination of two faces. ये face है, ये face है, ये दोनों जहां मीट कर रहे हैं that is the edge. ये edge है, ये क्या है? Edge. How many edges it has? Upper square, this downward square 8 हो गए, 9 10 11 12. So it has now vertices 1 2 3 4. The upper face has 4 corners and the downward face again has 4 corners. So it has 8 vertices. Got it? Now next comes cone. You will draw a cone like this. Now look here. This cone has how many faces? Let's talk about the face. 2 faces. One curved and one flat. One curved and one. Now edges. Edges means sharp line. There are 2 faces, 1 and 2. And where these 2 faces are meeting each other, this line is called edge. And this is curved edge. Not simple edge. It is one curved edge. And how many vertices it has? 1. This top corner point, last point, 1. Any doubt? Note down this thing. कल वहां से ना मेरे आने से पहले वो लेके आना है. प्रिज्म वगैरह है इसमें. कॉर्नर पॉइंट, शार्प कॉर्नर पॉइंट. नहीं है. ठीक है, बस इतना ही है आपका. ये किसकी आवाज आ रही है? Next is cylinder. How many faces it has? 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1 curved face and 2 faces कितने हैं? 1 curved, 2 flat. So total are 3. Got it? Now edges. Edge कितनी है? 1 edge from the top face, 1 edge from the bottom face. So it has 2 curved edge. 2. Next one is vertices. Do it have any vertex? Why? There is not sharp corner point. It doesn't form any corner point. So 0 vertex. Is it okay? How will you draw this cylinder? Draw this. Done. Have you drawn all these? Next is sphere. Actually, this is a circle, but it's not possible for me to draw the 3D shape of the circle that is called sphere on the board. So you will draw a simple circle, and you must have seen ball, football, simple ball, earth, globe, moon. All these are the example of sphere. Got it? So you must have to give 2-3 example of each that we will discuss later on. Now you have to write the faces. How many faces it has? 1 curved face. Vertices, edges, 0. Edges is a sharp line, edge. And in this sphere, we don't have any sharp corner line. So it has no edge, no vertex. इसके बाद ये लिखो, "2D shapes are called plane figures." Example: circle, square, quadrilateral, rectangle, etc. Note down this thing. ये नोट है आपका, ये क्या है? अब ये देखो, ये है तो सॉलिड शेप, पर हमने इसको पेपर पे ड्रॉ कर दिया. ये स्फीयर है, हमने इसको पेपर पे ड्रॉ कर दिया. तो ये 3D है एक्चुअली. ये क्या है? 2D. तो हमने 3D शेप को रियलिस्टिक वे में 2D पे ड्रॉ कर दिया, क्योंकि 3D पॉसिबल नहीं है ना. तो आपने क्या कर दिया? 3D शो करने के लिए उसकी रियलिस्टिक पिक्चर बना दी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2D शेप. इट इज रिटन व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड में लिखा हुआ है ये. The solid shapes can be drawn on a flat paper. Listen to me. Solid shapes can be drawn on a flat paper realistically. We call this 2D representation of 3D shapes. Got it? So you have to read all these points thoroughly so that MCQs, short concept based question, will be there in your mind. Okay? So mark this, what we have discussed, that you will read out today. This you have written? Written? Now write one more thing. 3D shapes are called solid shapes. 3D shapes are called, example, can you give example? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. और भी हैं, prism, pyramid, that we will discuss. Any doubt? Next, we will continue in the next class.